Hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up. As you see right now, I am on a cruise ship, the group cruise. If you look behind me, you see the center stage of the party from last night. Not everybody's sleeping or hangover or just hanging out right here. Look around, it's really epic view right here. And filming me right now is my brand new Insta360 X in regular mode. So in this quick video, I gonna do a 360 video comparison, but everything gonna edit in on a cell phone to see how good is the stitching from just the phone compared to GoPro Fusion and the Insta360 the old one right here, and even the Kandao Qoocam. So this will be a quick video, but it's a 360 video, so I highly recommend you wear your VR headset and watch it on a headset. So right now we are filming with the 1X. Everything is in auto mode, and also it's not in lock mode. For the next video, I'll switch to lock mode so you compare to the regular mode and the lock mode. Okay, so again, take a moment, look around, look downstairs, look at the mess left over from the party from last night, with Benny Benassi playing, and a lot of live DJ like Benny Benassi, Layback Luke, and many good DJ playing last night right there. It's crazy. You will see a distance, you see the Mexico flag, and the boat and Mexico over there. Okay, let me now switch to lock mode. Okay, so now we are on lock mode. Again, it's the Insta360 X. Again, look around. So check out that ship deck over there. Try to look at the stuff in distance. So in this mode, you probably see a flat color profile. Again, I would try to use a cell phone to grade it, or actually probably let it ungraded so you can really see the dynamic range of this lock mode, video mode, compared to the one. So here is the graded version of the log footage you just saw with the official LUT, and I also add some of my personal grading on top of it to make it look better to my eyes. So compare it with the regular and the log footage you just saw. Again, this is only for reference, but if you are interested to download the same LUT and try to grade it yourself, I will provide a download link in the description below. Okay, so now I will switch to the old Insta360, which is right here. So now filming it is the old Insta360. As you see, the 1X in my hand. See right here. Today is a little bit overcast day, so hopefully you can still see the image quality compared to the 1 and the 1X. By the way, so in mobile workflow output, the 1X, even before that, we actually shot in 5.7K in 30 frames per second, both log and regular mode. But when it output from the mobile app, you only get 4K. You only get 5.7K true quality and 120 megabits per second through the mobile, not through the PC app, which is not out yet, but will be out hopefully next week. So we can only compare 4K, which is great because 4K is the max resolution of the 01. So it's 4K from 4K, fully mobile phone editing workflow. So I will stop talking, look around. Behind us again is Mexico, and then behind me again is the boat, the ship deck. Here is the sun deck. So look around. Before I switch the lock mode of the Insta360, and then I will actually switch to GoPro Fusion and the Kandao Qoocam so you can see the image quality in 360. So right now we are on the old Insta360 lock mode. So lock mode compared to lock mode of the brand new 1X right here. Again, I put it in my little pouch. Right here. It's really convenient. You will never lose your camera, so you can actually like carry it with you. Again, this is my media pass of Group Cruise, so I'm actually working here and doing media. So yeah, so look around, see the lock mode, and then I will switch to right here, the GoPro Fusion. Okay, let's switch to GoPro Fusion and compare the Fusion footage 4K with the 01 and the new 1X. Hey everybody, I'm back. Okay, where am I? If you like look on your left, I'm actually right here. Again, this is the 360 video, so you really need to watch it in a VR headset to really see the true quality of this video. So filming us right now is the GoPro Fusion. So just like I'm walking around, so force you to actually move around with your phone or with your VR headset so you can enjoy the beautiful scenery of Mexico right here. behind us, you see the aftermath from last night, the party. People hang out in the jacuzzi over there, really nice. Nobody in the pool because it's freezing cold right here. People enjoying the sun. Look over there, you see the ship deck, their loading container and everything. So now you see the quality compared with the GoPro Fusion with my brand new 1X in the 01. The next camera we're gonna switch into is the Kandao Qoocam. So let's do that. Hey guys, look this way, look this way. Right now I am on your left. My right. Again, this is a 360 video. We are filming it with the Kandao Qoocam. It's also a brand new camera. So again, shot in 4K, and I try to output the video directly from the mobile app. So you will see from mobile edit only solution comparison 4K between the brand new 1X, the Kandao Qoocam, and the Insta360 one right here. I still want you to look around to see the beautiful Mexico over there, but by now you hear me say the same thing 4 times already. So you look at the sun actually come out a little bit, but I will try to keep this whole full video in the exactly same condition outdoor, which is where you mostly use your 360 camera for. It's like daytime outdoor, not facing the sun. So it's a great time. The sun is actually behind the cloud, so you will not see that ugly stitch line. And then it's more for scenery and travel. So that's actually how I use all my consumer 360 camera. Is I bring them to travel, like when I'm going to Mexico on a boat, cruise ship, to capture the moment. And in most professional setting, you probably use professional camera, and that usually have like not just you have a whole crew to operate it. That's how I use professional 360 camera. Anyway, so now you see the quality comparison. Hopefully now help you decide if you want to get the 1X or not, and I'll switch back to the camera. Right now, again, is the Insta360 1X. I actually level up a little bit on my monopod, so you can see a little bit more overview of my entire boat, and I'm on a really big cruise ship right now, so it's pretty epic. It's a Norwegian Pro. And so now, because you're in a higher point, you probably see the boat behind me, flag of Mexico, right here, Norwegian, and then everything around us. So right now, I'm actually in menu setting, ISO 100, so I know my ISO is 100, and then shutter speed is 1 to 4000, because it's pretty bright right now outside. So you see the menu setting of the Insta360 1X in 360. So hopefully you enjoy this short comparison. I am not supposed to make any video because I don't have an editing machine with me, and I'm a cruise ship, and I only have a mobile phone. So I gotta cut this entire video hopefully with my mobile phone and my friend's laptop, really like bad laptop. So to create this video, I hopefully can upload today or tomorrow, so you have continued content for you to make a good decision which camera you're trying to get. Should you order the 1X or should you not? Wait for the next camera, or should you keep your GoPro Fusion, or should you keep your 01? I mean, this video should help you to answer all of these questions, at least in the video format. If you are one of the person that travel a lot and cut everything on your mobile phone. Again, it's not a duck, it's a mobile phone. So I will see you in the next video.